The Tex-Mexecutioner. Technically, enchiladas should be made with corn tortillas. So relax, enchilada police. These wet burritos are made with flour tortillas. So these aren't enchiladas, these are wet burritos. So sorry, I didn't mean to get almost stuffed in a festive piñata and feeling the brunt of your Niño's lead pipe. You could probably use a smaller can of soup, but I went huge, increasing the wetness of the wet burritos. Bring the wet! I want the filling to be creamy and warm spicy. So your burritos don't stick, spray your skillet liberally with cooking spray. Oiled up like a pelican's feathers after Exxon goes, whoops, sorry. Get extra no-stick insurance. Double down with a generous portion of enchilada sauce. Give it a tight roll and place it seam down. It's like a quarter pack of wet cigarettes. Light them up. Sauce it up. Bring on the wet. Do not be afraid to have a heavy hand with the sauce at the hacienda. Someone blow the damn lifeguard whistle. These babies are drowning.
Hot and damp.
Fiesta, 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 fiesta.
The Tex-Mexecutioner.